Good morning, my name is Carolina Miozzi and I work for Radio6ense. We are an innovative small-medium enterprise specialized in wireless and passive sensing. And today I would like to show you some stuff. We are here with the E-team of Pisa, the University of Pisa, because we have installed wireless sensors for measuring temperature to unreachable points to wired technologies. So on the braking disc, on the wheel hub, and inside the butt here, and inside the battery module of the vehicle for enabling combined wired and wireless temperature acquisition. Right. And then here are some examples of the sensors that are really small, wireless sensors without any battery, right. That are installed on the vehicle. Really? And this here, we are also showcasing some of our applications where we customize the solution. So embedding sensors on some small components and objects such as bearing or screws. These are temperature sensors, but we can also acquire several other parameters such as strain, pressure, humidity. And I would like to add something because we are natively integrated into Dewesoft by exploiting openDAQ. So now our device, this is a third-party device, is fully recognized by Dewesoft. And this is a totally new, because I think that we are the first third-party device that is natively integrated into Dewesoft thanks to openDAQ. So wow, that's great. I think it's a great achievement.
Yeah, and we can see it running right here on the software.
Yes, sure. This is the temperature data acquisition made by our sensors on the shaft and the braking disc. Yeah. And these are other measurements acquired at the same time. So we are combining an hybrid test and measurement system for in-vehicle applications. Right. And I think it's really powerful and impressive.
Yeah, well, very impressive, because with your technology, this team won the big prize, the Academic Excellence Award this year.
Yes, so sure.
Congratulations to you too.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. We have been awarded, and it was an honor to receive this award.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.